This video will show you how to send multiple files as one attachment in Gmail. So what you need to do is collect all of your files and put them in one location on your computer. So for me, that is in the files folder. So I'm going to send all of these files as one. Now we could upload these individually, but if you wanted to send them as one, you highlight all of them, then right click, and then you need to go compress to, and just compress them to a zip file. This will then compress them to one single zip file, which we can rename. Now we can go back to Gmail or any email provider. Here you can then click compose and then write out your email, subject and message. Once you've done that, go to the attach files icon, which will be a paperclip. Then find your files folder, and then you want to click on the zip file which you've compressed the files to. Click open and it will upload it. Now if you've got an issue where your file is too large, you can go ahead and upload it with Google Drive. To do that, you can click OK, got it if you get this error message, or you can just go to the Google Drive icon, insert files using Drive, then click upload, browse, and then choose your zip file and click open. From here you'll see your file. You'll then be able to send it to the recipient. They'll be able to download it and unzip that file.